Howdy. Today we're going to take a look at a 1993 Beneteau 400 Oceanus. This boat has been well cared for. Recently had the rigging replaced, part of it in 2015, part of it in 2010. Motor was rebuilt, reportedly in 2008. Has a lot of nice things going for it. I think you'll enjoy this tour. I certainly did. Let's go take a look. Let's start back here on the stern. So we have an aftermarket davit installed, manual block and tackle. Plenty of purchase on that to haul it up yourself, and don't have to deal with anything breaking in terms of a windlass motor or anything like that. As we look forward, we see stainless steel lifelines. You can enter here. The aluminum tow rails look to be in good shape. Oversized aluminum cleats midship, stern, and bow, 3 each side. We do have canvas covers on our varnish teaked hand holds. And there's the Traveler. A little bit of arch. You'll notice we do have 1, 2, 3, 4 opening port lights per side. And then also 3, 1, 2, 3 non-opening port lights installed in the hull. Alright, there's that famous Beneteau logo. Claw anchor up front. It's a Profurl furling system. UV cover is intact. There's the mast. This boat was reportedly re-rigged in, well, parts of it, I think most of the rig in 2015, and the backstays done in 2010. Recently inspected. Got a clean bill of health as well. Alright, here we are on the port side, walking back to enter the vessel. Alright, little bird's eye view here. Nice big spacious cockpit on these Oceanus. Alright, here's all the lines led back to the cockpits. And you have these as well to organize things. There's a number 30, 2-speed winch, and a number 48, 2-speed winch, for your jib sheets. Alright, let's check out this cockpit. Oh, no, let's take a look back here first. So here's your swim step, sugar scoop stern. That does fold up to seating right here. I'm not going to do that right now though. Here we have oversized helm. Engine shows 4,794 hours. However, this boat was had the engine rebuilt in reportedly 2008, and I do believe has around 1,000 hours on it now. Here is your sounder, radar display, and autopilot control. And the cockpit. Cooler in the center. 35, 18. The bimini looks to be in good shape. Has a cover for the isinglass as well. Isinglass is nice and clear. Looks to be in good condition as well. There's your traveler. Underneath these canvas covers, you have a varnished, oh, not quite varnished, handhold. And here's your sail cover. Forward. Let's check out the anchor locker. Alright, looks like some good quality chain in there. Not a big ball of rust like I sometimes see. Nice Lofrans 1000 watt 12 volt Tigres. And the model on this Profurl is NCI 42. Take a look aloft. You'll see a radar up there, steaming light, American flag, and freedom. Let's take a look at this sail. Sail feels crisp. We'll have more information about that in the listing. I don't see any red flags, at least without hoisting it at this point. All right, as we enter the companionway to this 1993 Beneteau Oceanus, we see a few things. Number one, nice, large salon table with wraparound seating, a centerline bench. The table can be folded to be smaller. Helm station to starboard with nav and other controls. Nice expansive salon. To port, we see our ice box, a 2-burner propane range and oven, plenty of storage, grab rail, nice big opening ports. There's that 2-burner range. Some storage up here for paper towels and whatnot. 2-bowl stainless steel sink with modern faucet. More storage for the pantry. Another ice box. Below that, sliding drawer, could be used for a multitude of things. Below the sink, we have what looks like a brand new through hole for the drain for the sink. And then alright, so that's the port. Also, here's your aft head. 2 heads on this vessel, 3 cabins. There's your aft head, shower that pulls out. And then here is your port side aft cabin. In this cabin, you also have room, access to the back side of the motor through this. I don't know if that's going to adjust. And also through this compartment here. All right. This motor does look nice and tidy. Nothing stands out to me as glaring, but I haven't looked too close and I'm not a mechanic. And then this is the room when you're laying down in bed. A couple nice shelves over here. Opening port above, as well as to the side. And another right here. So you can get a nice cross breeze back here. And then there is an opening here as well. This looks to be a blackwater tank. I guess that's a newer one, like an aftermarket tank. So there's the port aft cabin. Let's go back in the salon. Here is the starboard side aft cabin. Same basic layout as the port side. Nice little shelf for your reading material. Hanging locker there. Access to the starboard side of the motor here. You can see here, Perkins M50, 50 horsepower Perkins diesel. Let's take a look at the nav station. So over in this nav station, we have Standard Horizon Intrepid Plus VHF, Raymarine R70 radar, Raymarine RN300 GPS. You have a mount here that you can mount a more modern GPS if you wanted it. Here's the panel. Separate 12-volt distribution panel for electronics above. Kenwood stereo. Nice comfy seat. Storage for charts and manuals and whatnot. And additional storage for tools and whatnot behind the seat. Below the seat, a nice storage bin as well. Pots and pans or whatever you need it for. Drawer below as well. In this case, for all your winch handles. Now, also to starboard side, of course we have this expansive table, which folds in the center, allowing you easy access in. Drops right back down. Now, let's head forward. Alright, here we go to the forward cabin with a Pullman style berth. There she is. What a beaut. Very spacious, plenty of headroom. Nice opening hatch above and opening portlet on either side of the cabin for good ventilation. Hanging locker support. Nice seating area. And then we'll continue forward to the forward head. Very spacious head. This is a wet head, right? You pull the shower from the sink. Take a seat there on top of the toilet on that little shelf, and enjoy yourself, right? Plenty of room, good amounts of storage, and plenty of headroom. I've got a couple inches above me, so a little over 6 feet of headroom. Right. Thank you for taking a look with me at this 1993 Beneteau 40. Great boat. Looks like she's had some good maintenance done. The hull still shines pretty nice on the exterior, and the interior is in pretty good shape. Please give me a call. Get you aboard.